Hello fellow designers, today we're going to design this part in Solidworks. Now for the start I will choose this tube here for my design base, and the outer radius is 30 and the inner dimension is 40. Now remember this R indicates that this is the radius of the circle, and if you see this symbol here, it means it's the dimension. So for the start I'm going to choose the top plane here, draw two circles. Okay, to extrude it 460. Now I'm going to design this part here. $75. It's 20 and the outer one is 23. Gonna need another circle here with 23 times 2. Okay. Now simply connect this together. Now, as you can see, this section here is open sketch, so I just simply convert this entity here and trim the unnecessary entities. So this is going to be a closed service, and I can extrude it for 50. Sorry, 15. Okay. Now this part here. So the trick is to choose this. Gonna need a center line here. Now the trick is if I draw a line here, it will create a gap between the part and this tube here. So what I'm gonna do is convert this entity and continue from it, like okay, this I think it's 10 because you can see 10 here, and 25. Gonna be 5 and 25. Now I'm gonna mirror this and this and trim the unwanted entities. I extrude it to, as you can see, it's on the edge here. So I'm going to choose this face here, up to surface. Okay. Now you can see it didn't create a gap between the parts. I'll simply cut the unwanted parts. Okay, let's proceed. Now for the next part, I'm going to design this box here. For doing that, I need a plane, and the distance will be 75. So I choose right plane, a new plane, if opposite, 75. Okay. Sketch. It's gonna be 60 and 45. For calculating this distance, I'm gonna do a little math here. So this is 45, this is 60. So I should start it's gonna be 15. So the distance between, first of all, I need a center line here. And I draw a line. I know the distance is 15. Okay, so it's gonna be 30 and 45. Okay, and should be 45. Yes, don't need to do that, but if you wanna like define the sketch, you can give it the dimensions. Okay, I'm gonna draw another line. I'll simply mirror them. Gonna extrude it to, I mean, 415. Don't need to explain, so simply hide it. Okay, I will draw this one here. I don't know. I don't need any information about this because it's already like pre-sketched here, and all I need to do is draw a box with this dimension. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay. And I need to close it, so I will convert this entity here. Just like that. So let's extrude it for 15. Yep. Okay, now we will draw this connecting part here with 10 width. Okay. Draw a center line. It's gonna be 5. Once again, I don't need any gaps here, so I'm not going to draw a line. Actually, if I do that, it will be working because it's gonna merge into the circle. I'll simply mirror these parts. Okay. I'm going to extrude it to this, up to this surface. Just like that. Now the 2 holes. Draw a center line. Okay, it's 15 and it's in the middle of this section. 35. Okay. It's gonna be 15. And it's gonna be 35. 2. Okay. I'm gonna mirror this. And cut it short. Okay, here you have this part. If you wanna make this part from a CNC machine, it will give some fillets. And depending on the machine type, the radius will be different. So I'm gonna use 1mm fillet here. even though you don't like give it fillets in your design, but it's in the machine's nature to give fillets while it's creating this part. And the final results will be like this. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in future videos.